एक टमाटर डालिए, राइट? नहीं तो छोटा प्याज। Hi, I'm Mohit. I'm one of the two founders here at Apple. We've been building smart cooking appliances for a while, which means we've been doing a lot of experiments. And we're supremely thrilled to introduce a new cooking mode called the time and temperature mode. What is time and temperature mode? Here's something we realized about general cooking over the last year and a half. Most of us like to be really spontaneous in the kitchen. While recipes come in and tell us and really try to strangle our hand and eat एक टमाटर डालिए, right? नहीं तो छोटा प्याज. What we really want to do is, why छोटा प्याज? I wanted tomato-y pasta. I will put in extra tomatoes. We realize this is what our consumers really want to do. And no recipes, forget appliances, ever enable them to do something like this, right? What we came up with was a completely new way of cooking, which we call time and temperature. What does time and temperature mean? Every single ingredient, meats, vegetables, carbohydrates of different kinds, all of them have a certain kind of a cooking signature. The best way to think about these is that pasta in boiling water of a certain variety is going to cook for 12 minutes, and at the end of 12 minutes is going to be a certain kind of softness. We realized that kind of a principle extends to every single ingredient out there. We went off to implement some of these algorithms into our device a few months ago. After a lot of trials and failures, we were able to do this really successfully. So what does that mean for you? Instead of talking down to you like most recipes and most chefs do, that please add a tablespoon of oil or please add only one tomato, we are able to tell you, you know what? While we recommend you adding 180 grams of tomatoes or 3 tomatoes, you might just end up finding that all of your tomatoes are this size. You don't have to worry about whether I weigh this or whether I don't weigh this, because whether you add more tomatoes or less, whether you add a big onion or a small onion, the device will cope. It's a resilient device. It's something that is going to adjust so that you are able to be spontaneous. And we are absolutely thrilled to be introducing this to our users. Some of our users have gotten a flavor of this, and they've been really delighted with how the recipes have been turning out over the last couple of weeks. To try this, get a relish up today, sign up for our 1-week demo, and take one away and try this more.